If you're a tech founder and you're not taking YouTube seriously, I don't know what you're doing. So 3 years ago, in the middle of COVID, I had reached out to a business owner who ran a tech consulting company, mostly managed ServiceNow implementations, SolarWinds implementations, that kind of thing. And I asked him, what's working for you to get your leads? He said, all of my marketing qualified leads come from my YouTube channel. You don't have to be a famous influencer. You don't have to create viral and trending videos. All you have to do is talk about problems in your market, talk about industry challenges, talk about what your ideal client is facing, what they're dealing with, to address that conversation in their head, to nail down that market to message match, and then explain how you solve that problem. That's exactly what I'm doing with myself and for myself. Now, I'm a book guy. You might know I've written books, LinkedIn Sales Machine. I've written Entrepreneur Elite, showing you how to get clients from LinkedIn, showing you how to launch a simple, quick MVP book that positions you as an authority and builds your thought leadership so that you get your ideal clients and paid speaking gigs coming to you. That said, YouTube is a natural extension of that, because when you create a book, the biggest things you want to focus on are your title, your subtitle, and your cover. You want to have a great title, a promise in your subtitle, and an attractive cover. That's exactly what you're doing on LinkedIn with your thumbnail and your title, and of course, your content. So I show tech entrepreneurs, and I tell tech entrepreneurs and tech founders that they have to get known by launching an MVP book that positions them as a dragon slayer in their industry. They have to create this MVP book, build it in public, share it on LinkedIn, on Twitter, where their ideal clients are, to build that inbound automated lead generation system. And then they got to start reaching out directly and sniping and contacting their ideal customers on email and on LinkedIn. Now, if you do that, and then you add YouTube on top of that, you'll have an almost never-ending stream of leads coming into you on autopilot. I needed to say this to you because I keep talking to tech entrepreneurs who are good at what they do. They're struggling because they don't feel like they're known, or they don't have the notoriety that they want. They're struggling because they don't have an automated system that brings them leads. They're reliant on referrals and networking, and that's not sustainable for them long term. So I want you to launch an MVP book. I want you to build it in public on LinkedIn, and I want you to create a structured outreach system that allows you to manually reach out to your ideal clients. If you do those three things and you pour YouTube on top of that, which is just repurposing the work you've already done, you are going to get phenomenal results, just like that one client that I was talking about in the beginning of this video. If you need help, click the link below, reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will send you my 2 free books, the PDF versions, LinkedIn Lead Gen System, and Entrepreneur Elite. And I can even help you come up with a game plan and build out your entire roadmap for you. So if you like this video, click the links below, reach out to me on LinkedIn, and we'll talk. Thank you.